For decades, doctors have relied on a limited arsenal of pain relief options, often turning to opioids as a last resort. While effective, opioids carry a significant risk of addiction and debilitating side effects. This has led to a nationwide crisis with millions suffering from opioid use disorder. But now, a breakthrough medication called Journavx offers a beacon of hope, ushering in a new era in pain management. On January 30, 2025, the FDA approved Journavx, also known as suzetrigine, the first non-opioid painkiller in over 2 decades. This momentous decision marks a turning point in the fight against pain, providing a much-needed alternative to traditional pain management strategies. Journavx is not just another pain reliever, it represents a paradigm shift in how we approach pain. This innovative drug works differently than opioids, targeting specific pain pathways without the addictive potential. Imagine a world where pain can be effectively managed without the fear of addiction, dependence, or the devastating consequences that often follow. Journavx brings us closer to that reality. This essay will delve into the details of Journavx, exploring its mechanism of action, clinical trial results, potential benefits, and implications for the future of pain management. Join us as we unravel the significance of this groundbreaking medication and its potential to revolutionize the way we treat pain. Journavx is not just another pain reliever, it's a groundbreaking medication that represents a paradigm shift in pain management. Unlike traditional opioids that work by dulling pain perception in the brain, Journavx targets pain at its source, preventing pain signals from ever reaching the brain. This unique mechanism of action makes it a promising alternative for those seeking effective pain relief, without the risks associated with opioids. Imagine your nervous system as a complex network of wires, transmitting signals throughout your body. When you experience pain, it's like sending an urgent message along these wires to your brain, alerting it to the injury. Opioids work by intercepting these messages in the brain, essentially masking the pain. However, this interference can also lead to feelings of euphoria and, over time, addiction. Journavx takes a different approach, targeting specific sodium channels, Nav1.8, found in nerve endings. These channels play a crucial role in transmitting pain signals. By blocking these channels, Journavx effectively short-circuits the pain message, preventing it from reaching the brain. This targeted action provides effective pain relief without affecting pain perception in the brain, reducing the risk of addiction and dependence. Journavx's groundbreaking mechanism of action is rooted in years of scientific research and a fascinating discovery. Scientists at Vertex Pharmaceuticals, the company behind Journavx, were intrigued by a family in Pakistan with a unique genetic mutation. This mutation rendered them insensitive to pain, allowing them to walk on hot coals without feeling any discomfort. Intrigued by this phenomenon, researchers delved deeper, discovering that this family's pain insensitivity stemmed from a mutation in the gene responsible for the NaV1.8 sodium channel. This channel, found primarily in pain-sensing nerves, plays a crucial role in transmitting pain signals to the brain. The mutation effectively rendered these channels non-functional, preventing pain signals from reaching the brain and leading to their pain-free existence. This discovery sparked a wave of excitement in the scientific community. Could targeting the NaV1.8 channel hold the key to developing new and effective pain relievers without the risks associated with opioids? Vertex Pharmaceuticals believed so, and embarked on a mission to develop a drug that could selectively block these channels. Years of dedicated research and development culminated in the creation of Journavx, a medication that specifically targets and blocks the NaV1.8 sodium channel. By mimicking the effect of the genetic mutation observed in the Pakistani family, Journavx effectively intercepts pain signals at their source, providing targeted pain relief without the risk of addiction or dependence. The development of any new medication involves rigorous clinical trials to assess its efficacy, safety, and potential side effects. Journavx underwent extensive testing before receiving FDA approval, demonstrating impressive results in managing acute pain. In a series of Phase 3 clinical trials, Journavx consistently outperformed placebos in reducing pain severity for patients undergoing various surgical procedures. These trials involved a diverse group of patients undergoing abdominal surgery, like tummy tucks, and foot surgery, such as bunion removal, common procedures associated with moderate to severe pain. The results were striking. patients receiving Journavx experienced a significant reduction in pain scores compared to those receiving placebos. In fact, Journavx proved to be as effective as Vicodin, a commonly prescribed opioid painkiller, in managing post-surgical pain. However, unlike Vicodin, Journavx achieved these results without the euphoric effects or addictive potential of opioids. Furthermore, the majority of patients enrolled in these trials reported positive experiences with Journavx, rating its pain relief as good to excellent. These promising findings highlight Journavx's potential as a safe and effective alternative to traditional opioids for managing acute pain following surgical procedures. Section 5. Side effects and safety profile of Journavx. As with any medication, Journavx may cause side effects in some individuals. However, the safety profile observed in clinical trials has been encouraging, with most side effects reported as mild and transient. The most common side effects associated with Journavx include headache, constipation, nausea, dizziness, and rashes. These side effects were generally mild and resolved on their own, without requiring medical intervention. Importantly, the incidence of these side effects was significantly lower than that observed with opioid painkillers. It's important to note that Journavx is not a suitable option for everyone. Individuals with a history of allergic reactions to suzetrigine or any other components of the medication should avoid taking Journavx. Additionally, pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult with their healthcare provider before taking Journavx, as its safety during pregnancy and lactation has not been fully established. While long-term safety data is still being collected, the initial findings from clinical trials suggest that Journavx is generally well tolerated with a favorable safety profile. Ongoing research will continue to monitor its long-term effects and assess its suitability for various patient populations. Section 6. Addressing the opioid crisis, a potential game-changer. The opioid crisis has ravaged communities across the United States, claiming thousands of lives and leaving countless families devastated. The development of Journavx offers a glimmer of hope in the fight against this epidemic, providing a much-needed alternative to addictive opioid painkillers. Journavx's unique mechanism of action, targeting pain pathways without affecting the brain's reward centers, makes it inherently less addictive than opioids. This crucial distinction has the potential to significantly impact the opioid crisis by providing a safer and equally effective option for managing acute pain. By reducing reliance on opioids, Journavx could help prevent new cases of opioid use disorder and offer a valuable tool for those seeking to manage their pain without the risk of addiction. It's important to note that Journavx is not a treatment for opioid use disorder, and individuals struggling with addiction should seek professional help. However, by providing a safer alternative for pain management, Journavx could play a significant role in stemming the tide of the opioid crisis and contribute to a future where pain relief doesn't come at the cost of addiction. Section 7. Cost, accessibility, and future outlook. The arrival of Journavx brings with it questions about its cost, accessibility, and implications for the future of pain management. While the initial wholesale cost of Journavx is $15.50 per 50 milligram pill, the actual out-of-pocket cost for patients will vary, depending on factors like insurance coverage and patient assistance programs. Vertex Pharmaceuticals, the manufacturer of Journavx, has committed to working with insurance providers to ensure broad coverage and is exploring patient assistance programs to improve affordability for those in need. The company recognizes the importance of making this groundbreaking medication accessible to all who could benefit from its unique pain-relieving properties. The introduction of Journavx marks a significant step forward in pain management. Its novel mechanism of action, promising clinical trial results, and favorable safety profile position it as a valuable tool for healthcare providers seeking to alleviate pain without resorting to potentially addictive opioids. As with any new medication, ongoing research will continue to refine our understanding of Journavx's long-term effects, optimal dosages, and suitability for various patient populations. The future of pain management looks brighter with the arrival of Journavx, offering renewed hope for a future where pain can be effectively managed without the fear of addiction or debilitating side effects. Section 8. Expanding the horizons, ongoing research and potential applications. While Journavx has shown immense promise in managing acute pain, its potential applications extend far beyond the immediate aftermath of surgery. Vertex Pharmaceuticals is actively exploring its use in treating various chronic pain conditions, aiming to provide relief for those suffering from debilitating and often untreatable pain. Diabetic neuropathy, a type of nerve damage that affects millions of people with diabetes, causes excruciating pain, numbness, and tingling in the extremities. Current treatment options offer limited relief, often leaving patients struggling to manage their symptoms. Preliminary research suggests that Journavx's unique mechanism of action, targeting sodium channels involved in pain transmission, could hold the key to alleviating neuropathic pain. Clinical trials are underway to assess its efficacy in treating diabetic neuropathy, offering a beacon of hope for those seeking lasting relief from this debilitating condition. Furthermore, researchers are investigating Journavx's potential in managing other chronic pain conditions, including osteoarthritis, fibromyalgia, and chronic back pain. If successful, these applications could revolutionize pain management for millions worldwide, providing a much-needed alternative to opioids and other medications with limited efficacy and significant side effects. Section 9. A beacon of hope in pain management. The arrival of Journavx marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of pain management. Its innovative mechanism of action, targeting pain at its source without the addictive potential of opioids, represents a paradigm shift in how we approach pain relief. For too long, patients and healthcare providers have grappled with the limitations of traditional pain management options, often forced to choose between inadequate relief and the risk of addiction. Journavx offers a beacon of hope, providing a safe and effective alternative that addresses both the physiological and psychological aspects of pain. The FDA's approval of Journavx signifies a turning point in the fight against the opioid crisis, offering a powerful tool to combat this devastating epidemic. By providing a non-addictive alternative for acute pain management, Journavx has the potential to prevent new cases of opioid use disorder and reduce reliance on these potentially harmful medications. While Journavx is not a cure-all, its arrival signifies a fundamental shift in our understanding and approach to pain management. Ongoing research promises to unlock its full potential, paving the way for a future where pain relief is accessible, effective, and free from the shackles of addiction. As we venture into this new era of pain management, Journavx stands as a testament to the power of scientific innovation and a beacon of hope for millions seeking relief from the grip of pain. If you want more news, subscribe now and become part of an engaged and discerning audience.